2015 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, power sunroof. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, push button start, cooled seats, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.